To customize your footer, just click into it and then click on Edit Section. Here we have some more tabs. We'll start with the Background tab. You can choose if you want a color, image, or video here. And you can also change the section color and position. Then we have the Layout tab. Here you're able to change a few of the visual layout options. You probably won't need to worry about this tab or the Anchor tab though. To edit the actual content within your footer, you'll close out of this. And you can edit all of the text and elements within your footer just like any other section on your website. Like for example here, these social media icons. If you don't want these, just click on the element and you can click on the trash can icon to get rid of them. You can also change out all of the placeholder text like the phone number and email here. And you can also add in new elements. And you can do that by going to the top left and adding in new elements like we looked at earlier. And if you'd like to hide your footer while you're working on your website, you can do that by clicking on the eyeball button here.